When it comes to landing page software, you've probably heard of both Builderall and Elementor, but which one is really the best? In this video, we'll dive deep into each tool to see which one stands out. Stick around, because by the end, I'll reveal an alternative you might not have considered yet. So, let's get into it. Let's start with Builderall. This platform is marketed as an all-in-one digital marketing solution. It's packed with features for landing pages, email marketing, sales funnels, and more. While this sounds great, it can feel a bit overwhelming for beginners. The interface isn't the most intuitive, and it takes some time to really get the hang of everything. On the plus side, Builderall does offer a lot for a low price, and you're getting a wide range of tools that can manage different parts of your business. Now, when we talk about Elementor, things get a bit different. Elementor is primarily a page builder plugin for WordPress, which means you need a WordPress site to use it. Unlike Builderall, Elementor's focus is specifically on creating visually stunning landing pages. Its drag-and-drop interface is much easier to use, and the design flexibility is a major selling point. However, Elementor is limited to WordPress, which could be a deal breaker if you're not using that platform. Next thing, we need to talk about the design options. Elementor offers a ton of pre-made templates that look professional and can be customized quickly. Whether you're a pro designer or just getting started, you'll find something that fits your needs. Builderall, on the other hand, also has templates, but they're often less polished and require more customization to make them stand out. For pure design flexibility, Elementor is the winner here. Moving on to integrations, Builderall does have a wide range of built-in features, meaning you won't need to rely too much on third-party tools. However, this can feel a bit limiting if you're already used to using specific integrations. Elementor, while it works seamlessly with WordPress, relies heavily on plugins for additional functionality. It's very versatile, but it can lead to slower performance if you add too many plugins to the mix. The fourth thing to consider is performance. Builderall does provide everything in one package, but that can sometimes slow things down. Page load times are important for conversions, and Builderall's performance doesn't always match up. Elementor, especially when paired with good hosting, tends to have faster load times and better overall performance for landing pages. In terms of pure speed, Elementor has the edge. Next up, let's talk about pricing. Builderall offers a variety of plans, which can get confusing if you're not sure what you need. The cheapest option might look tempting, but you're getting a lot of features you may not use. Elementor has a free version, which is a great way to get started, but to unlock more advanced features, you'll need to pay for the pro version. Both are decent options, but if you're looking for value, Elementor's free version might be all you need. Finally, let's look at customer support. Builderall support can be hit or miss. Some users report good experiences, while others find themselves struggling to get timely help. Elementor, on the other hand, has solid documentation and a large community, making it easier to find answers. But it does lack direct support unless you opt for the Pro plan. If you're new to building landing pages, you might find Elementor's resources more accessible. So, which one is truly the best for landing page software? Both Builderall and Elementor have their strengths, but after trying both, I think Elementor takes the lead in terms of ease of use, design flexibility, and performance. However, if you're looking for an all-in-one solution and don't mind a steeper learning curve, Builderall might still be a good fit for you. That said, the tools mentioned here are solid, but if you want a better alternative that can truly streamline your landing page creation and marketing efforts, I recommend checking out the first link in the description. By using our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Don't miss out, try it today.